Hey, it's Harvey Braden with Harvey Roofing and Construction. We're on day 2 at a job site here in Burleson, Texas, replacing about a 7,600 square foot area of shingle roofing. And I just wanted to show you around a little bit. Yesterday, had gone live on Facebook, and we had reframed and resided this wall so we could correct the flashing there. And that was completed yesterday in preparation for today when we tore off the entire roof. We've already got a portion of it covered back up here with this synthetic underlayment. And now in the lower slope 312 area, we're doing a full ice and water shield across up to here. And so we'll have that transition will come up, and then that lower slope is going to have full ice and water shield, so that if there ever is snow and ice sitting on that roof, when it starts to melt, any ice damming will be accounted for. And then we've got quite a few decking repairs. Looks like we counted to have about 14, maybe 15 sheets of decking replaced on this one by the time everything repaired. And that decking damage is the indication of prior roof leaks. You can kind of see a spot right here. So we get rid of all the bad wood so that we've got good nailing surface, and be ready to go back with new underlayment and the shingling process. I can't really get a good shot of that over there. Working on that tear off. So this is day 2. Made everything staged and started to prep yesterday for this. We'll be cutting a ridge vent in to this peak here, and this roof is getting Atlas Pinnacle Pristine shingles. Those have the Scotch Guard to avoid any black streaking. Going with a what they call an oyster shell color, so it's kind of white. We replaced that roof on that house over there with a galvalume, which is a shiny silver metal. So homeowner wanted to have a color that would complement that, and so that's what we're going to be shingling this with. Is it's kind of a very light grayish white color, and then we'll and it's from Atlas, called the Signature Select roof system. So all of the components are Atlas. You can see here we have the Summit 60 synthetic underlayment, the good shot of the new flashing that we installed behind that wall yesterday, the Weathermaster ice and water shield is another component of the Signature Select roofing system, and then the ridge ventilation is also the same. There's a better shot of the ice and water shield going down. So this membrane actually gives a entire barrier. We're pretty much waterproof once this is in. And then what this does is all the nails that pass through it self-seals. There's a rubberized membrane, so it self-seals around those nails. And that way, if you ever have any water seepage underneath the shingles, it's there for that secondary barrier. And we also can't see it. Oh, there it is right there. I don't know if I can zoom in on that or not. That's called a bullet boot. So it's a really high-end pipe flashing. You can tell that it's actually California specification. It's got a big flashing all the way around it. And the reason for that is that this pipe is going to be up here with the ice and water shield is actually on the 312. So it's not very steep. And I wanted to have a good wide flange on that, so that even with snow and ice, it'll never be able to seep through there, and it will be able to handle any kind of weather that could be thrown at it. So we'll be working, probably get it done today. We're on a good pace right now, so we'll see. Do have quite a bit of decking repairs to still complete before we can get it all the underlayment down, and then we'll be getting all of our drip edge installed. We're going with a true 2-inch drip edge on this to give it a nice perimeter protection instead of the 1.5 inch kind of econo stuff. This is going to be a full 2-inch strip edge, and that will get us where we're ready to start shingling today. So everything's going well, and we'll have some updates with some photos once we get this thing completed. Thanks for watching. Harvey with Harvey Roofing and Construction. Give us a call if you have any need for roofing, residential, commercial, remodeling, and we'll take care of you. Thanks so much.